Hi! In this tutorial we are going to learn how you may execute test cases in vREST. In the browser, vREST executes test cases with the help of Chrome extension. And you may also execute your test cases on command line with the help of vrunner module. We will cover the command line test case execution part in our upcoming tutorials. Now let's see how you may execute vREST test cases in Chrome browser. One can make any HTTP or HTTPS request from any web or mobile application, whether it is deployed locally or over internet or intranet. Now we will see the various ways to execute test cases in vREST. Suppose we have some test cases organized in some test suites. To execute a single test case, just select the desired test case and then click on Run One Test Case button. vREST will execute the selected test case. You may see the result status of this test case in the test run report section, or you may see it in the test case header section. To see this test case results, you may either see the test case results tab, or you may click on the test case status in the test run report section. This will directly open the results tab of the test case. Here in the results tab, you can see the test run name we just executed. Now suppose we want to execute more than one test case. Then we just need to select the desired test cases and click on Run Test Cases button. vREST will execute all the selected test cases one by one in sequence. You may see the status of test cases in Test Run Report section. Here you can see that one test case has failed. You may just click on the test case status to see the results of this test case. As you can see the diff report here to see the failure reason of this test case. Now let's see how you may execute all the test cases of a single test suite. Just select the desired test suites from the test suites section. And now click on Run All Test Cases button to execute all the test cases of the selected test suite. Now if you want to execute more than one test suite, then it's also simpler. Just select the desired test suites. Now click on Run All Test Cases button to execute all the test cases of the selected test suites. Further, in the selected test suites, if you want to execute only the test cases which are tagged with the tag, say tag 1, then just apply filter on tag named as tag 1. As you can see that the filter has been applied and test cases list now have filtered test cases. Now if you click on Run All Test Cases button, then vREST will execute only the filtered test cases. Now if you want to execute all the test cases in all test suites, then just clear all the filters applied by clicking on each filter link. The reset link is also helpful in clearing all the filters applied, but this will not clear the test suite filters. Now if you run the test cases, then all the test cases of all the test suites will be executed in sequence. Now let's talk about viewing the previous test run results. To do this, first we need to select test run whose results we are willing to see by clicking on the filter icon drop down menu and then select the desired test run that you want to view. Now all the test cases which are executed in the selected test run will be shown. In this list, you may just go to the results tab of any test case to see the results. Now in this results tab, you may click on the show execution time details to see the execution details, and we can also see the assertions results. This makes it very easy to debug the test case failure. These were some basic use of test runner and debugging your application using it. If you want to know more, you can visit our user guide and view the executing test cases section in the cookbook.